You have reached the age where you've learned a thing or two about corporate meetings and event planning. This is the age of knowing what needs to be done. So why would you let something like finding and vetting audiovisual companies get in your way? Isn't it time you talk to your direct report about AV for planners and start saving time and money? With every age comes responsibility. Ask your direct report if you should save time and money before using AV for planners. Do not use AV for planners if you don't want better meetings and events, or if you don't want a raise, make your coworkers jealous, and stellar yearly job reviews. Side effects include great meetings, happy bosses, no budget surprises, less stress, and general happiness. If you work on your conference audiovisual for more than 4 hours, talk to your direct report and contact AV for planners immediately. Ask your direct report if AV for planners is right for you. To get started, go to AV for Planners and get a free RFP.